This is question 1.1, part F. And we've got point A, which has coordinates 0.01 and negative 0.01, and point B, which has coordinates negative 0.01 and 0.05. Now, don't be thrown off by the fact that these are decimal coordinates. Everything still applies. So delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. So in that case, that's negative 0.01 minus 0.01, which is equal to negative 0.02. Delta y from A to B is equal to y2 minus y1, which is 0.05 minus negative 0.01, and this gives us 0.06. So the slope, which is just delta y over delta x, is just then 0.06 over negative 0.02. Well, that just equals negative 3. And then the y-intercept is equal to, and I'll use point B for this, y2 minus m times x2, and that's equal to 0.05 minus negative 3 times times negative 0.01. So that's equal to 0.05 minus negative 3 times negative 0.01. So this is 0.03, and this all equals 0.02. So that the equation for this line is equal to minus 3x plus 0.02. And then finally, the distance between these 2 points is equal to delta x squared plus delta y squared, which is equal to the square root of negative 0.02 squared plus 0.06 squared. And this is equal to square root of, this becomes 0.0004 plus 0.0036. And we add all that up, that becomes the square root of 0.004. Now, I suppose we could leave it like that, but we're going to do one more trick here to show you. Watch out, little bug. So maybe we can simplify this just a tiny bit here. So if you want to stop now, go ahead and stop now. That's a fair answer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing, this 0.004, and I'm going to factor out a 10 from that. So I'm going to rewrite it as square root of 0.0004 times 10. Well, why did I do that? Because I know that the square root of, if I separate out these two terms under different radicals, I get the square root of 0.0004 times the square root of 10. And I know the square root of 0.0004 is just 0.02. And that, I suppose, is a slightly more simplified expression for the distance between these 2 points.